Dear Dewalt batteries die faster than your motivation on leg day does? Well, if they do, you're going to want to pick one of these up. This is a 4-port Dewalt battery charger. The awesome thing about this 4-port battery charger for Dewalt is that you can do your regular 20-volt batteries, or you can do the 12-volt batteries. It doesn't matter. You can do both of them, and they'll charge at the same time. Now, this is pretty cool because they are charging at the same time. They're not doing one, then the other, and the other. You can actually secure this or mount this. It has mounting brackets on the back right here and right here. So if you want to just mount it on the wall, which is, I'm probably going to do that, but I take this to the job site with me often just so that I can always make sure that I have a battery charging and then one that I'm working with at all times. You never want to get stuck on a job. This thing ensures that. So again, if you want to make sure that your batteries will last the entire job, then I'd highly recommend pick one of these up and have a few extra batteries laying around. It never hurts. The worst thing happened, you run out of batteries and you can't work.